Hey there, it's Jimmy again, and we've got more here in the spray foam or expanding foam series. A little while ago we did an interesting one with a 91 Subaru where someone used expanding spray foam to fix some accident damage, and today we have a perhaps cooler car, not sure, the 87 Honda Civic, which I think was an SI version, that is using expanding spray foam for rust repair. So let's just dive right in and check this thing out. This is obviously quite crispy, but you know, we've got a lot of rot here going all the way around the back hatch here, so going all the way through, which is wild. We definitely see rust here in Colorado, but usually not this bad. But Hondas were pretty prolific rusters, and this may well have come from somewhere else. But let's look at where the person tried to fix it. So look at this whole rear quarter panel is completely eaten up by the rust monster. Giant gaping holes, but there is all kinds of spray foam up in here, and then there's paint on it. So someone spray foamed it to fill the cavity and add structural support, hardly, and then painted it to try to get it to blend back into what the original color was, which I think this was a black car. And obviously we're in snow country. We've got snow tires on here, and that doesn't help, especially when they use whatever salt or solvents, whatever it is, that eats the snow and the ice and also eats Hondas. But man, this is quite, I put a little panel on here to try to fix the sheet metal, but that is quite corroded in here. It's really soft and dead, but I can't see how the spray foam would do anything. If anything, it would just suck up more moisture and then exacerbate the problem. But let's look around the rest of this car. Because here, this door is in really bad shape also. It's rusted all the way through. And then the bottom sill is also in terrible shape. Not much left of it at all. Oh, look, more spray foam. Crazy stuff. $6 can goes a long way. But I've got a little rust here. That's not terrible, actually. And then the whole car is, well, it's definitely had it. There's not much left. This is not nearly as good a shape as that Subaru was from a little bit ago. But this side doesn't, well, you've got rust on this side too, but here, this is mainly, it's not good, but that's not rotted away. And here, this is starting to rot away. Same with, oh yeah, that's not good at all. But no, oh, yep, he did add some spray foam up there too, and painted it. Crazy, this rocker panel is gone also. And then obviously the back wheel arch, and right here too above the bumper, more spray foam with paint on it. Pretty crazy. Oh look, the molding is sort of held on. That just went around. Look at that. You put that back on, you clip that right in there. Oh, mint, showroom fresh. Love it. But let's look at the rest of it, because there's not much left on this one. This was cool. These were well, the Civic, I'm pretty sure this was the SI version. That looks like where the SI badge would have been. And I think it would have had the center, kind of a red one in there instead of the regular black one the Civic had. So let's just assume it was the SI. Same engine as the CRX SI. These were released in 84 and 87. This was, I believe, the last year for them. There were little pocket rockets competing against the GTI and so forth, the Volkswagen GTI and so forth. They were quite good. Fast, nippy, handled great. Not bad. This has been picked over. There's no engine left, obviously. The engine is gone. But, you know, it's interesting. In here, there's a little bit of rust over there, but it doesn't really come through here too badly. And this whole part is very good. Let's look inside, because this is interesting. So, yeah, I think that was the SI fabric. It's kind of a dark, almost black charcoal velour with a striped seating material. Not much left on the dash, but these were great. Just had the little binnacle right there. Nice, easy to see out of. Very comfortable. Plenty of room inside, even in the back. This one, the window's gone here, but this is interesting too. I mean, this cargo area, there's no rust in here really. There's a little bit around the seams, but the floor is solid. And can't really tell. You know, the shock towers. Yeah, there's a little. No, that's pretty good. So that's not bad. And that looks okay. So I don't know. With the white plastic headliner, as all these Hondas did back then. Two nice little cars. I mean, this is quite a big, spacious area in the back. So, will this open? Yep. Got the Honda. I love this. It's nice with the Honda there and the kind of a silver reverse, almost a mirror finish out of the black panel there. And look, I mean, you have the rust here in the hatch on the outside, but it doesn't really translate to the inside. That's still pretty clean. It's not bad. A little bit right here around the rivets and the screws, but seen worse. But yeah, in here we're looking pretty solid. And you've, oh look, you've actually got the spray foam coming in, intruding into here by where the rear light is. So yeah, I don't know, I love these little homebrew jobs. And, oh, is this part of the engine? I can't really tell. Is this 16 valve head? This could be the head from the Honda or something else. Interesting. Not quite sure. One of you guys might actually know. I don't see a Honda stamp or anything anywhere, so oh well. But yeah, that was an 87 Honda Civic, presumably an SI, with bad rust and more homebrew fix it with a can of spray foam. Anyway, if you liked what you saw, please hit subscribe and like, and look through the archives. There'll be tons of other videos, and I'm sure it's something you guys will like. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.